A Cincinnati high school is on high alert after dozens of students tested positive for pertussis or whooping cough. The respiratory infection spread to 20 students at Elder High School over the last month. The 6 students had to take 5 days worth of potent antibiotics. The Cincinnati Health Department sent a letter home to parents reminding them to make sure their children and other family members were immunized against whooping cough. The majority of the 6 students had been vaccinated against pertussis but contracted it anyway somehow. It's still unclear exactly how it spread. None of the students, though, at the high school is currently ill.